first.
That is a brave man. Here's meteorologist Dave Aguilera with Colorado's forecast. Dave, our sights are set on a cool down.
A cool down, yeah. Monday is going to be the highlight of the 5-day forecast. We've got a cold front coming in. I think it'll feel a lot better. But until then, we're stuck in a hot weekend. We are getting some relief, though, in the form of clouds and showers and thunderstorms around here. We'll start with the Denver metro area here on the radar. Now, we've had a few sprinkles move through town, but we're so dry down at the surface, about 24 to 25% relative humidity. A lot of it's evaporating before it hits the ground, so it's creating breezes more than anything else, but it is cooling that temperature down. There is some rain falling in northern Weld County. Look at this big thunderstorm complex coming down towards Briggsdale and New Raymer here. This one blasted through South Cheyenne. It did rain briefly at Cheyenne Frontier Days, and they got a good drenching there. And just south of the city, South Cheyenne, all the way to the Colorado line here, some of those storms dropped up to 2 to 4 inches of rain, so there's a flash flood warning there until 7:15, although the rain is really winding down right now. Smattering of thunderstorms going on from Fort Morgan, Leader into Akron, Last Chance, all the way down to Colorado Springs here, and these are starting to get some juice out there. I wouldn't be surprised if some of those develop into severe thunderstorms with hail. We have one of those just to the southeast of Colorado Springs here. Severe thunderstorm warning for this one coming out of Fountain here, spreading across southern El Paso County till 5:30. Could have up to 60-mile-per-hour gusts and up to quarter-size hail out of that one. Flash flood warning going on for the Junkins burn scar near Wetmore down there till 7:15. It's raining there now. They had a bigger thunderstorm roll through there earlier. And if there is a highlight, if you will, for severe weather tonight, it's going to be just outside of Greeley here to Fort Morgan, Sterling, up into Nebraska. Those storms have the potential of producing some hail, and already that one in northern Weld County is looking pretty good for doing that up there. Here's the reason why. We've had an overall weather pattern change in the last couple of days. The monsoon has surged up, and usually that happens about mid-July through mid-August. That's moisture, kind of a reversal of the flow, bringing in moisture from Mexico here, and that's where our clouds and storms are coming from. And on the map here, there's a cold front going into Wyoming right now, and that's the one that will slide through here on Monday, dramatically cool our temperatures and help to create some showers and thunderstorms as well. So almost every day next week, we have a chance of getting some rain, believe it or not. Today, whoo, good thing the clouds came in. We made it to 97 at DIA, 96 downtown. Nowhere near the record of 104, thank goodness, though. And it's still fairly warm out there, 84, but the clouds and the sprinkles really dropped that temperature dramatically from where we were earlier. So tonight, the showers and thunderstorms blow up out over the eastern plains and then move on out of here. Tomorrow morning, we're clear to partly cloudy across the state. And then by afternoon, isolated storms in the mountains, scattered storms across the eastern plains later in the day. That's the map at 4 o'clock tomorrow. Could have some rain right here in Denver. High temperatures, though, tomorrow will be in the 90s across the eastern plains of Colorado, so another hot one tomorrow. And then Monday, as I said, is the big weather player as far as the temperature goes. So isolated showers and thunderstorms tonight, upper 60s for the overnight low, and we do have poor air quality, as we mentioned at the top of the show. 93 tomorrow, partly sunny and hazy again with those isolated storms. If you're going to Cheyenne Frontier Days tomorrow, it'll be 88 with a 50% chance of thunderstorms. Could get rained on again. And then, whoo-hoo, look at Monday, 81 degrees, 30% chance of scattered storms late. 90 on Tuesday, slight chance of storms, and then a better chance of storms on Wednesday, Thursday, with monsoon moisture and temperatures in the 80s.
That looks like a good week.
That's good to see,
It is. Thank you, Dave.
You got it.
Well, in sports, if last night's